In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting a message saying this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon in Photoshop. So let's jump straight into it. So what I have done is created a quick walkthrough guide, and what we're going to do is just go through this together to help resolve this problem. So the first thing you're going to want to do is verify your Adobe subscription. So you can do this by logging into your Adobe account with your Adobe ID. At this point, you want to check your subscription status to ensure it is active and up to date. So next, what you need to do is update the Adobe Creative Cloud. So to do this, you want to open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Then what you want to do is go to the Apps tab and click Check for Updates. Now, you want to make sure that you update all Adobe applications to the latest versions. After doing this, what you're going to want to do in the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app is click onto your profile icon and select Sign Out. Then go ahead and sign in again with your Adobe ID and password to refresh your license information. So what you can also try is actually deactivating and reactivating your license. To do this, you want to log into your Adobe account on the Adobe website. Then what you want to do is navigate to Plans and then Manage Plan. Underneath Activated Devices, deactivate the current device if it is listed on your plan. After doing this, go ahead and open the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your computer, sign in again and reactivate the license. Now, another thing you want to check is your payment method. So you want to ensure that your payment method is valid and there are no current issues with your billing. And of course, update your payment details if necessary. After checking this, what I would recommend doing next is reinstalling Adobe Creative Cloud and Photoshop on your computer. So what you want to do is fully uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud and also the Photoshop app from your computer. Then what you want to do is download and reinstall the Adobe Creative Cloud from the Adobe website. After doing this, what you can do is reinstall Photoshop from the Creative Cloud app and see if that fixes the problem. If that didn't work for you, what you can try is running the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So you can actually download this from Adobe's website, and what you want to do is follow the instructions to run the tool and just use this to clean up any leftover files from previous installations. After doing this, reinstall Adobe Creative Cloud and Photoshop. So if you've tried all of those methods but you're still getting this error message, the final thing you're going to want to do is actually contact Adobe support. All you need to do is provide them with details about the issue, your Adobe ID, and of course any troubleshooting steps you've currently already taken. So by following these steps, you should now resolve the unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon message in Photoshop. Just a quick summary: to ensure your subscription is active, your payment details are correct, and your Adobe apps are up to date. As mentioned, reinstalling the software can potentially fix this issue, and as a last resort, you can always contact Adobe support if the issue persists after trying the steps in this tutorial. But with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.